How to fix fingerprint lock not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your fingerprint lock not working in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search, and you can search for device manager, or you can also just simply go with the Windows icon, right click on it, and you will have device manager option. Just open up your device manager. After opening your device manager, now here you will have biometrics option. If you don't find the biometrics option, then it means that your laptop or your Windows won't support the fingerprint lock option. Or you can also just simply go with view, and under view you can go with show hidden devices. And after tapping on show hidden devices, you may have the biometric option. You can just simply right click on the biometric option, and you'll have update option under your biometrics. You can just simply go and update your driver. After updating your driver of your biometrics, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with your search. Under search, you need to search for run and open up your run. And here you need to enter services.msc. Hit the enter. Here you need to find a service which is Credential Manager. Here you will have the Credential Manager. Right click on the Credential Manager and go with Properties. Under Properties, you need to stop the service. After stopping the service, just wait for a few minutes, and after that go with Start and go with Apply and OK. Once you've done that, now you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you can fix fingerprint lock not working on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.